Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from Mesh Automation channel. Today in this session, we're going to learn about how to work with links, or we can call them as link text in Selenium. So these are nothing but links which are available in our web page. So we're going to see how we can automate those link text or links in our Selenium Python series. So in case if you are new to my channel and you wanted to learn how to work with ID, name, class name, so do watch my earlier session where I have discussed in detail the sessions in them. And if you are new to learn Selenium with Python, so there are some prerequisites which needs to be done in your system, which is Python to be installed, PyCharm, which is an editor we needed, and Selenium libraries we can install from command line or we can install from PyCharm. And we need a driver executable file. So these are must to start with Selenium automation with Python. And let's get into our today's session and let me open PyCharm. So this is our demo project where we have created two folders, which is a browsers and test cases. In browsers folders, we have all the driver executable files, and in test cases, we have different test cases that we are maintaining, and we have a VNV location here. And if you wanted to know how I created this project, so watch my earlier session in the project creation and setting up Python PyCharm. So I will share those links in the description box. You can find from there. And let's get started with our test case writing. So I'm gonna right click to my test case folder and go to new and create a Python file. So this will be a test cases with the link text. So as soon as we wanted to create any test cases, we need to first import Selenium packages. So Selenium import WebDriver. So this is the line which is important for us to start. Later on, we can start using a WebDriver to call any driver executable file. So I'm going to call Chrome driver and I will name this line as a driver. So which is nothing but a reference variable here. So this should be small. I will use a small case. And in the Chrome, we need to provide the executable files. So here I have stored all the executable files in the browsers folder. So I'm going to right click and go to copy. And from there, I'm going to copy absolute path and I will paste this absolute path here. So this is a Windows operating system. So let me correct this path. Right. So this is the path we need to provide, which is a nothing but executable file, which needed to be launch our web page. So next line, we're gonna write driver dot maximize window, and this will maximize my window. And then after we have driver dot get statement. So this get statement nothing but which will launch our web application in our web browser. So I'm gonna use this as an string format. So I will open Chrome, and this is sample application that we are using for now for this demo. And let me add some comments to these lines. Right, I have added a comments, and if you wanted to know why this line syntax been used, you can refer to the comments. And from here, I'm gonna start writing our actual finding of web locators. So I'm gonna use this as, so these lines will help. So as we're working with the link text, so let me open a web page. So here we wanted to see how many links are in this page. So to find those links, we can mouse over and see that how many links are present here. And you can still see in the bottom we have few more links available here, but we don't know how many links are available within the entire page. So to know how many links are available in within the page, so we need to right click and inspect it, go to the dev tools, and here you can go and inspect this forget account. So this is a type of anchor tag, so which is nothing but a link and that has some text here, so which is nothing but forget account. So if you wanted to perform action on this, you need to copy this forget account, and if you once come back to our PyCharm, then we're gonna use this driver dot find element, and here by dot link text. So let me import this by so that we will get all the methods available in it. So this is showing an error. Let me see what's the link text. Okay, link underscore text we need to use. And here I'm gonna add this a value here. And this is a forget account, so I'm gonna use the click action here. So let me use the click action and let me quickly save. And as soon as it perform click action, I will ask driver to wait some time. So we can use driver dot sleep or driver dot time we can use. I think we can directly use time dot sleep. So time dot sleep, and we can provide 3 seconds to wait, and then after driver dot close. So I'm gonna quickly save and right click and run this program. Now it has started the session, it has maximized, it should launch the application, then it has perform forget link action, then it has to wait 3 seconds and then close. Yeah, successfully done. So this is how we work with link text. And if you wanted to work few more links, and you can jump to the application here, and there's a tool called selector sub. So in case if you are finding it difficult in finding a HTML DOM, so you can add the selector subs as your add-on to your browsers. And if you wanted to open it, you can go to this DevTools, and here in this section you have this more actions here, then you can switch the selectors hub. So as soon as you highlight any field, it will provide you all the possible locators. So for now I'm using link text, so this is a link text for it. So let me try this link text, which is sign up for Facebook. So I can come back to my PyCharm and I can comment this line, and I'm gonna add again new line. So driver dot find element, and here I will use by dot link text, and in the link text, so this is my text of that link. After that I can perform click action. So save and run. So this should click on the sign up for Facebook. Right, it has clicked on that link, so it is when to create a new account page, then it will close the page. So this is how we work with the link text. And if you have any issues finding this link text, so you can post your error or question in my comment section. I will help you out. And you can use a tool called selectors up, where you can find the easy way of finding the locators from there. And if the session is helpful for you, do post a like and share with colleague, and do subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you.